What is going on, guys? Welcome to my Kartra vs Clickfunnels review video. So today we're going to be comparing both Kartra to ClickFunnels right here. So we're going to be explaining the difference between Kartra and ClickFunnels. We're going to be comparing the tools and their sales funnel builders with each other and really explaining what both tools are in a lot of detail. So if you're interested in learning more about Kartra and ClickFunnels, then make sure to watch this video till the end to gather all the information you need to make an informed decision on whether or not Kartra or ClickFunnels is going to be right for your business. Now, I want to leave a couple of links down below where you can get a trial of either Kartra or ClickFunnels, so you can really test out either one of the softwares or even both, really get like a first-hand feel of the tools. So you can always do that after watching this video if you want. But with that being said, let's begin today's comparison. So to start off the comparison video between ClickFunnels versus Kartra, I want to go over here to PowerPoint and explain what both of the tools are. So Kartra pretty much is a collection of essential business tools that you need to run an online business. All right, so it's marketed as an all-in-one solution where you manage all of these different tools in a single account. So the tools inside of Kartra include having your own shopping cart system. They have their own email marketing order responder, a complete affiliate management system, sales funnel builder where you can build landing pages, webinars, sales funnels, etc. The Kartra video where you can host videos, Kartra help desk, membership sites, web hosting, and split testing. Now, if we go over here to ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels is an online sales funnel builder that helps businesses market, sell, and deliver their products online without having to hire or rely on a tech team. So ClickFunnels tools include email marketing, which is Actionetics. They have their own complete affiliate management system as well with Backpack. They have their own sales funnel builder where you can build landing pages, webinars, sales funnels, etc. You can build membership sites. They have their web hosting, split testing, and they have their own email integrations as well where you can integrate with Aweber, with GetResponse, and all these other popular email marketing tools as well. Alright, so now that we've gone through both ClickFunnels and Kartra, let's go ahead and compare both of their interfaces to compare their drag and drop page editors. So let's go over to Kartra, and if we go to my pages, we can go ahead and check out their templates and their page editor. So let's go ahead and click on my page right here. And as you can see, we have a variety of different templates we can choose from. So squeeze pages, thank you pages, video sale pages, long sale pages, coming soon pages. You get the picture. Now, if we go over here and compare these with ClickFunnels, so we'll go over here now, we can go ahead and do the same thing. So we can collect emails, sell our products, host a webinar, and all we're going to do is just choose one of these. And then once we configure all this, we can go over here and we'll be taken to this page here where we can choose from a variety of different email templates right here. We can choose from sale pages, product launches, order forms, one-click upsells, webinars, membership sites. You know, you get the big picture as well. So there's also different templates and squeeze pages you can choose right off the bat inside of ClickFunnels, and the same goes with Kartra. So let's go ahead and choose one of their templates, and we're going to compare both the page editors together to see which one's going to actually be more sufficient, because they both are pretty much similar to a certain degree, but they do have little differences that make them stand out between each other, right? So if we click on this one right here, let's go ahead and launch Builder. Alright, so let's put in the name. So let's put in Kartra Demo and choose a category and click on Create. And we'll go over here to ClickFunnels and we'll choose one of these templates as well. So let's go ahead and choose this template right here. And as you can see, it's going to be creating the page inside of our ClickFunnels account. Click on Create. And we'll click on Add Page right here to access the ClickFunnels page editor and the page editor inside of Kartra as well. So, alright, so we're inside of the Kartra page editor right now. So let's go ahead and kind of go through some of the features. So as you can see, Kartra is pretty much works like this. So you have columns and you have components. So if we go to columns, we can hover over columns and we can see all the columns inside of our page. Now, if you want to actually add the elements inside of the columns, which are going to be called components inside of Kartra, you can click on components right here and you can actually add all the individual components inside right here. Now, if we go to ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels works kind of similar, but if you notice inside of Kartra, if we click on columns, we can actually only select the columns when we have column mode enabled. Now, if we have components mode enabled, we can only actually hover over the elements inside of the columns. So we can only hover over the components inside of the actual columns. Now, if we compare this to ClickFunnels over here, ClickFunnels is similar to a certain degree. So they actually have rows, columns, and elements. So the green right here is going to be the rows. The blue is going to be the columns, and the orange right here is going to be the elements. So these elements are inside of the columns, and the columns are going to be inside the rows. So it works similar to Kartra. Now, ClickFunnels doesn't have like a element mode or a column mode or a row mode. So in Kartra has like a component mode or a column mode where you actually highlight only the components or the columns inside of your page editor, whereas ClickFunnels doesn't actually have that. So you actually don't have the option to only hover over elements, columns, or rows. Like you'll hover over all different things inside of ClickFunnels. So that's one big major difference between the page editors. So if we go back to Kartra and have a look of their settings right here, you can see right here that we can add SEO parameters, tracking codes. So if we go over here and we go to sections, we can add sections. So we can add like our favorite blocks. So if there's like a block template we want to save, we can go ahead and save that. But most importantly, we can add like lots of different aspects and little, sections to our page inside of Kartra. So we can add FAQs right here. So we can literally just add like pre-built sections into our squeeze page right here if we wanted to. And this is another difference between ClickFunnels and Kartra right here, is the fact that Kartra lets you build pre-built sections inside of your pages. So you can have like pre-built, pages. You can have pre-built sections such as download boxes, for an example. You can have countdowns as pre-built sections. You can have, for example, call to action. So if you have like a product, you can like literally just drag and drop this right here, and you have a pre-built section inside of your squeeze page. And we can always go ahead and delete this. So let's click on delete. And if we go to sections, we can add a bunch of like pre-built sections for you right off the bat. That's one big difference between Kartra and ClickFunnels. Now, if we go to components right here, we can add lots of different components as well. And ClickFunnels and Kartra are the same in this regard, because we can add lots of different components and elements, is what they call inside of ClickFunnels, to our page. So we can add columns, headlines, text, buttons, images, icons. We have a lot of different things we can add inside of Kartra to our pages. So these aren't going to be the pre-built sections like we have here inside of Kartra, but these are going to be the components that are going to be inside of your columns, right? So if we go to ClickFunnels right here, we can do the same thing. So if we wanted to, we could go ahead, and if we go over here, we can add a new element, and we can choose a headline, sub-headline, paragraph, videos, images, buttons, countdown timers as well. So as you can see, ClickFunnels has a lot of different countdown timers, and we can always click on settings and adjust this to change the theme. So we can make that yellow to match the page. And we can always go ahead and click on delete if we don't like that. So yeah, as you can see, this is the ClickFunnels page editor. We've compared that with Kartra. So if we compare the integrations now, because the integrations are actually a bit different, because for an example, with ClickFunnels and in regards to integrations with other autoresponders, you can actually integrate ClickFunnels with other autoresponders. So if we go over here, you can integrate ClickFunnels with Aweber, MailChimp, Entreport. But if we go over here with Kartra, we can't actually integrate any other third-party autoresponders, since Kartra has their own inbuilt email marketing tool inside of Kartra. Now this can be a pro as well, since you're not actually like paying any extra monthly recurring fee for any other autoresponder, since you get it for free inside of Kartra in their $99 a month plan. So if we go to my communications, this is going to be where you actually manage your email marketing inside of Kartra. So this is the email marketing tool inside of Kartra. They have really, really high deliverability rates. So the email marketing tool is definitely amazing. However, if you already do have an established autoresponder and you don't want to switch, you can definitely integrate that within ClickFunnels. So that's another big difference between both of the tools, is the integrations in regards to autoresponders. Alright, so like we covered during the start of the video, ClickFunnels is mainly a sales funnel builder, and you can also do email marketing leveraging Actionetics and leveraging their complete affiliate management system within Backpack. Alright, and Kartra is the same in this regard, because they have their own email marketing software as well. They have their complete affiliate management system. They are also a sales funnel builder that have their own video hosting as well, on top of all the stuff that went through ClickFunnels. So they have Kartra Video, they have Kartra Help Desk, so that you don't even need to get like Zendesk or anything like that, because you get that all inside of Kartra. Keep membership sites, and you can do the same with ClickFunnels. So both tools are very, very similar, but the big difference is their pricing. So you get all of this inside of Kartra for only $99 a month, whereas to get all of this inside of ClickFunnels, to get access to Actionetics, which is ClickFunnels' email marketing tool, and to get access to Backpack, which is ClickFunnels' affiliate management system, you need to pay $297 a month. So if we go to their pricing, ClickFunnels is $97 a month for the standard ClickFunnels plan, just for ClickFunnels by itself, which will enable you to create sale funnels, and you can do a lot inside of ClickFunnels just off the $97 a month plan. But get access to Actionetics and Backpack. So again, to get access to ClickFunnels' email marketing tool and the affiliate management system, you need to pay $297 a month, right? And for Kartra right here, you get all of this right off the bat for just $99 a month. So that's the big difference in pricing. And with Kartra, obviously, you get access to a lot more for $99 a month. And if we go inside of Kartra, you can build your products right here. It's going to be where you create your products inside of Kartra. This is going to be your affiliate management dashboard inside of Kartra right here. Your email marketing under my communications. This is where you're going to be creating your pages, my forms, my memberships, my videos. So this is where you're going to be actually hosting videos inside of Kartra. So you won't have to pay for like Vimeo or Wistia or anything like that. You get that for free inside of Kartra as well. My calendars, which is actually a new feature inside of Kartra as well. If we go to my help desk right here, this is pretty much going to be replacing Zendesk. So you don't need to integrate with Zendesk or anything like that, because Kartra has you covered in this regard. So if you can support your customers using Kartra Desk, So Kartra does have a few more additional features than ClickFunnels in this regard. So they have like, the help desk, they have the calendar feature, they have their own video hosting. But with that being said, I want to give you a brief little summary for the pricing and what you're going to be getting with each plan. So obviously with Kartra, a big pro is that it's truly an all-in-one solution and it's for a cheaper price than ClickFunnels. So you can pay attention to the pricing tiers, and I'll go over that one more time to show you in a second. And I think a con with Kartra is that it's a sales funnel builder. While it's not bad, it's just, I personally think it isn't as good as ClickFunnels, and I think ClickFunnels definitely exceeds in regards to their sales funnel building capabilities. And I think a con with ClickFunnels is that to get their email marketing platform, which is going to be Actionetics, and Backpack, which is going to be their affiliate management system, you have to pay a lot more money. So if you're going to be making a decision strictly on pricing, then I think you'll get more from Kartra. However, you should really test both platforms to see which one will be right for your business. So one more quick recap, guys. For ClickFunnels, to get the starter plan, it costs about $97 a month, and the Edison Suite is about $297 a month. If we go to Kartra, there's 5 different plans you can choose from. So they have the starter plan for $99 a month, the silver plan for $199 a month, the platinum plan for $499 a month. And if you click over here and you want to see a different plan, they have 2 more additional plans, which is the gold for $299 a month and the diamond for $699 a month. Now, if you want to actually check out the pricing and actually get a trial of either one of these tools, I will leave links to both of them down below. There'll be a couple of links at the top of the video description where you get a trial for either ClickFunnels or Kartra, or even both, so you can test out the platform to see which one will be right for you. To conclude today's video, I mean, they're both amazing tools. Kartra is an amazing tool. ClickFunnels is an amazing tool as well. You can do so much in both tools, and I honestly can say that if you choose either one of these tools, you're not going to be at a loss. They're both remarkable tools that you can use for your business, and they're going to help you a lot. I can promise you that. Alright, now if you did gain a lot of value from this video, please make sure to leave a like to let me know that you actually gained value, and it would really help out the video so that more people can actually see this video and can make an informed decision on whether or not ClickFunnels or Kartra is going to be right for them as well. And make sure to subscribe for more videos and more content regarding online marketing and all that type of stuff as well. And if you want to try out either one of the softwares, either ClickFunnels right here, or you want to try out Kartra, there'll be links down below. We can get a trial for either one of those down below. And with that being said, thanks for watching today's video, and yeah, peace out.